In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey using Typeform and embed it into your Bubble.io application, all within 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the search bar. Type in Typeform and hit Enter. The official Typeform website should appear in the search results. Click on the link to navigate to their homepage. If this is your first time, you'll need to log into your account. If you haven't set up an account yet, take a moment to do so, as you'll need one to proceed with creating a survey. Once you're logged in, look for the option to create a new form. This is generally marked by a plus symbol alongside the text, "Create a new form." Click on that to start the exciting journey of building your survey. At this point, Typeform will prompt you to select how you want to start your survey. You can begin from scratch or sync it to your CRM, depending on what suits your needs best. Choose the option that's most appropriate for your project. With your form started, you can now customize it to fit the questions and design you want for your audience. Typeform offers various tools and templates, making this step both creative and straightforward. Once you're satisfied with your survey, it's time to share it, so go ahead and click on the Share button. This will bring up different options for getting your survey out to the world. Choose to embed your survey in a web page by selecting the Embed option. Click on the Video Code button to get the necessary HTML code needed to embed your survey. A small window will pop up with the Embed code. Copy this code to your clipboard, as you will need it for the next steps. Now, shift over to your Bubble.io application. Open the app and navigate to the specific page where you want to embed your newly created survey. In the Visual Elements section of the Bubble editor, drag an HTML element onto the desired area on your page. This HTML element will serve as the container for your survey. With the HTML element selected, go to the Appearance tab. Here, you'll find an HTML editor. Paste the code you copied from Typeform directly into this editor. This will integrate your Typeform survey into your Bubble.io page seamlessly. Finally, it's time to see if everything is set up correctly. Click on Preview to test how the survey looks and functions within your application. Make sure all the components appear as expected and that the survey operates smoothly. And there you have it. You've just created a survey in Typeform and embedded it into your Bubble.io app. This powerful combination allows you to gather valuable insights from your audience right within your web application.